Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm Bash and this is Nomad Scrambler. Today we're off to a bike meet. This one is called 2 Tuesday. It's hosted by the Ox and Plough in Old Buckenham, I want to say. I will put the exact address on the screen for you. However, I have a free Tuesday for once, and it's like unheard of for me to have a free Tuesday afternoon / evening. So we're going to head over now, see what it's all about. It looks sick. It looks like the entire village is taken over by bikes on a Tuesday. There's meant to be some good food, which is great because I'm hungry. Yeah, I'm buzzing to get out to more meets. It's something that I've wanted to do for a while. I want to meet new people. So earlier today I was filming the off-road episode, which you guys would have seen by the time this comes out. And boy, I was like, oh yeah, I'll just take the bike to 2 Tuesday afterwards, but oh, she needed a full wash, boys. It was like the most light off-roading you've ever seen. I mean, if you've watched that video, you'll know. If you've not, go ahead and go watch that video and then come back, because it'll make no sense. But yeah, so I had to wash the entire bike, get her show ready. I mean, I didn't need to, but it's just one of those things. Like, my personal pride wouldn't let me go without washing the bike. So we've washed her. I actually don't know how loud the audio is in these vlogs until after I get back and edit them, because I don't ride with earplugs in. I should. So I just get battered with wind noise constantly on these roads. Old Buckenham, we're almost here by the looks of it. It's a 30. We are going to do 30 for once. I mean, of course I do 30 and 30. But look at these houses. Look at the size of them. What do these people do for work? And like, how can I get their job? Because, I don't know. Maybe if this YouTube thing pans out, we'll have a house like that one day. But I can't see it happening. Not right now, anyway. Give them a little blip. Yeah. No, there's no one in there. It just looks like there's someone in there. Come on, man. Let's go. I'm almost there, and I'm hungry, and I need a drink. Those are what is going on. So, I got this idea from Life of Birch, actually. He goes to Taco Tuesday. I'm doing 2 Wheel Tuesday, and I'm going out for whatever food is here, and I hope it's not here, because right now, nothing. Not a thing. And that worries me, because have I missed it? Has it not started yet? What's the sketch? I don't know. It's my first time and I'm scared. And again, massive house in the middle of nowhere. It's got like a 4-car garage at the back. What the? It'll give way. We're good. Oh, come on. Please be on. Imagine if I'm like decided, yeah, sweet, I'm going to go to 2 Tuesday. Not even on. I see a bike. Good sign. Oh yes, we might be alright. I might be one of the first people here. That would be sick. Means I get prime spot. People come and look at my bike. Oh, there is another bike. Yeah, hello friend, hello friend. Oh, you're going in there. Okay, cool.
Stopping in the middle of nowhere and getting out of the car. Cool.
Oh, here we are. We're rolling up now. Light's clear. Caution, children crossing. Okay. See a bike. Hello. Scooter gang. Here it is. Oh, yes. It's on.
Cheers, man.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name with my eyes on the
Okay, well, that was a proper good meet. I was buzzing. So many people there, so many nice people there that are just really friendly and want to chat about bikes and talk about this cool hobby that we all have. Had a load of fun and got some good food as well, which was quite cheap. I was pleasantly surprised, to be honest. Yeah, Two-Wheel Tuesday, man. I'll put some footage in. There was so much good food on offer there, and it is absolutely packed. Like, the photos and the video that I got really doesn't do it justice. There is so much more there than I showed you in all those clips. But yeah, no, if you are local to Old Buckingham and you're free on a Tuesday afternoon / evening, get yourselves down here, man. It's so good. An epic bike meet to kick off the year. But obviously it's not. It's still September for me. It's January for you. What's going on, dude? So many people about. So many cool bikes there. But yeah, no, that's been Two-Wheel Tuesday. It was unbelievable. I will definitely be going back. It's definitely something that is 100% better if you go with a group of you. I was the only one free today out of my group that I ride with. Next year, for me at least, this year for you guys, I'll be getting there a lot more, because there is so much to do, so much food. Like, the food, boys. I didn't get any pictures of the food because I was just too hungry, so I just tucked in. But it was one of those things which was just insane. Every Tuesday night for all of summer at the Ox and Plough in Old Buckenham. So good. Right, leave a comment down below about the next bike meet that I should go to, absolutely anywhere in the country. Like the video if you do, subscribe if you aren't already, and ring the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.